So good morning students, welcome back. Today we'll start new chapter, lesson number 7, alternating current AC. Okay, as the name of chapter alternating current AC, our first heading is also alternating current. Alternating current. So what is the meaning of alternating current? Look at when current changes its magnitude as well as direction with respect to time, such current is said to be alternating current, like this. Okay, this is the current and this is the time. Okay, when the current changes its direction as well as magnitude, positive direction, negative direction, positive direction, negative. Okay, this is a polarity, plus minus, the current changing the direction, sometimes 0, maximum, 0 and minimum. Okay, so this is the variation in current. So such current is said to be alternating current. Okay, so simple, whenever the current changes its direction as well as magnitude with respect to time, such current is said to be alternating current. Okay, actually different appliances require different amount of current. Okay, that's why generally in home appliances we are using alternating current. All the home appliances, domestic appliances are based on this alternating current. The household supply based on alternating current. It is produced by AC generator. Okay. Now students, the value of alternating current is given by this: I equals to I naught sine omega t. That is alternating current, where I is alternating current and I naught is called peak or maximum current. It is said to be peak or maximum current. Okay. Similarly, what is the alternating EMF? E equals to E naught sine omega t. That is the value of alternating current. That is value of alternating EMF. E is alternating EMF, and where E naught is said to be peak or maximum EMF. Later on, we will derive these formula for finding alternating current and for alternating voltage. We will find the formula. Okay, in the topic AC generator. Now, students, in our country, in India, the household supply based on the voltage of 220 volt, okay, and frequency represented by F are the new, it is of 50 hertz. We are using 220 volt and 50 hertz. In other country like America, the voltage is approx 110 volt and frequency approx 60 hertz. So this is the, here in our country, the EMF that we use 220 volt and frequency is about 50 hertz. Okay, so that is alternating current. It is produced by AC generator. Household supply. In our house, all the home appliances are works on behalf of alternating current. The current that changes direction as well as magnitude with respect to time is said to be alternating current. Now students, what about DC, direct current? Okay. Now students, look at, we'll discuss about direct current, DC current. We'll take what is DC? What is direct current? As its name, direct current, DC. When the current does not change its direction as well as, okay, magnitude with respect to time, such currents are said to be DC, direct current. Look at students. This is a particular value of current, okay, and the graph is increases towards right. Okay, it is parallel to time axis. The time in the graph is showing that time increases, but current neither increase nor decrease. It remains constant. So when current remains constant with respect to time, its magnitude as well as direction remains constant. Such current is said to be DC, direct current. Direct current is used, okay, in all that toys that is operated by that cell, battery, okay, and the simple example, DC generator. DC generator produce direct current. That cell, pencil cell we can say, okay, and that another is what? Toys, battery operated toys and battery operated remote and any other devices, electrical devices, okay, work on DC current, okay, in which current does not change its direction as well as magnitude. It remains constant throughout the time. So now students, basically we will discuss alternating current. So now we are going to find the very first thing, we are going to find the average value of alternating current for full cycle. we are having two cycles, full cycle and half cycle. So our first case is average value of alternating current for full cycle. What is the meaning of full cycle? Full cycle means, look at students, 0, 90, 180, 270 and again 360. 0 to 360, 0 to t is said to be full cycle, and 0 to 180, 0 to t by 2 is said to be half cycle. So in first case we are going to find the average value of alternating current for full cycle. What is the formula for finding average value? I bar equals to 1 by t integration 0 to t I into dt. That is the formula for finding the average value, where I bar is the average value and 0 to t limit showing that it is for full cycle. Okay, we know students what is alternating current here. I just explain the formula. Okay, I just gave the formula, derivation will take later on. Okay, I equals to I naught sine omega t. This is the value of alternating current. I is alternating current and I naught is said to be peak or maximum current. Okay, look at this. In this graph, we can explain like that. These are the peaks. This is said to be alternating current peak value. So what will do, students? Just we will put here I bar equals to 1 by t as it is. Okay, and what is the value of I? That is I naught sine omega t and then dt. I naught is a peak current that is constant. It comes outside from integration. So we can write here, students, I bar equals to 1 by t, 0 to t. Okay, I naught comes outside and inside there is only sine omega t into dt. Students, we know the formula, we know the integration of sine omega t. What is the integration of sine omega t? There is minus cos omega t and constants comes in division. Okay, and limit 0 to t. We know the integration of sine theta is what? Minus cos theta. So I bar equals to, and constant always comes in division. In differentiation it comes in multiplication. So minus I naught omega outside, t is outside, put the limit. Instead t, we'll put upper limit capital T, then instead t will put 0. It becomes cos 0. Now students, minus I naught omega t cos omega we can write as 2 pi by t angular speed. Okay, and that is t minus cos 0. T and t cancel out, cos 2 pi minus I naught by omega t. T and t cancel out, that is cos 2 pi minus cos 0. Cos 2 pi is 1. Cos 0 is also 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 into something, 0. So what we got the result? The average value of alternating current for full cycle is always 0. Understood, students? Now here we made one change. Instead omega, that is angular speed 2 pi by t. T is time period. Okay, and simple, cos 2 pi is 1, cos 0 1, 1 minus 1 0. So you got 0. So what is the average value of alternating current for full cycle? 0. And if you want to find half cycle, look at, since I'm going to make, this is case second. Okay, full we can take as half cycle. Take the limit t by 2, t by 2. For finding half cycle, we will make one change. Only instead t will write t by 2. Here also 2 comes in multiplication and that is t by 2. Okay, 2 comes in multiplication and that's t by 2. Okay, look, we can write 2 in multiplication. Okay, students, here, and limit will remain as t by 2. Nothing will change. Instead, just besides one thing, t replaced by t by 2 for half cycle. Here also we write 2 and limit t by 2. Limit t by 2 and there comes 2. Okay, students. Now students, only the final step will change. I bar equals to minus 2 I naught by This omega is also written as 2 pi by t, and this is t. T and t cancel out, 2 and 2 cancel out. That is cos pi minus cos 0. Look, t and t cancel out. I'm using here, students, look at I bar equals, look at t and t cancel out, look, t and t cancel out, 2 and 2 cancel out, minus I naught upon pi, cos pi minus 1, cos 0 1, so minus 1 minus 1, minus 2, minus minus plus 2 I naught upon pi. So this will be the value of alternating current for half cycle. And look at, since pi is 3.14, when 2 divided by 3.14 will get I bar equals to 0.637 times of I naught. It means the value of alternating current for half cycle is 0.637 times of its peak value. So this was the simple description of about alternating current. Okay, we did the definition. Okay, we found the average value for full cycle and half cycle. Okay, students.